Hello everyone. Here you have to get the beautiful hairs like this and then get them beautifully tucked up in this manner. Now here get a designer hairband with the strings on both the side, and with the help of these strips you need to make a lovely braid like this, join them together and then tie them beautifully with the help of the ribbons like this. As we are showing in the video, you have to make these patterns and then you need to just convert it into a bun shaped mold in this manner and just tuck them inside in this way. This is again beautiful, and then secure it with the help of the rubber bands. They are two designer ones. Now here again you need to just get the small partitions of hair, get a rubber band and then tuck them inside in this manner. You need to just get them inside out and then convert it into a pleat like this. Crisscross the hair and then get some hairs out. This is gonna look even more amazing. You have to secure it in this manner and then this is gonna look amazing. As shown in the video, you need to make these patterns like this. I hope you guys have enjoyed.